Artificial intelligence, it's everywhere, right? Like, it's gone from this futuristic concept to something we interact with every single day. But here's the thing. You don't need to be some coding genius to actually learn AI. In this video, we're breaking down how you can teach yourself AI step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. We'll be covering everything from understanding the basics to diving into free resources and even some crazy cool no-code tools. And make sure you stick around till the end because I've got a list of the best AI tools and courses that'll make learning this stuff a breeze. Oh, and before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future AI deep dives. Let's get started. Before we dive into learning AI, let's first understand what AI actually is. What are we even talking about here? Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that enables machines to learn and make decisions like humans. Okay, that sounds pretty high level. But think about it this way, you're already using AI daily. Whether it's Google search, when it seems to know exactly what you're looking for before you even finish typing, or how about ChatGPT? It's like having a conversation with, well, a really smart AI. And let's not forget Netflix recommendations constantly suggesting shows you might actually want to watch. That's AI in action. Why should you learn AI? Seriously, why is this even important? First off, AI is projected to be one of the highest paying skills in 2025. We're talking serious earning potential here. But it's not just about the money. AI helps automate repetitive tasks, freeing you up for more creative and strategic work. Imagine, no more spending hours on tedious spreadsheets. And here's the kicker. Businesses across all industries are adopting AI faster than ever. This isn't some niche tech thing anymore, it's becoming essential. So whether you're looking to level up your career, boost your productivity, or simply stay ahead of the curve, learning AI is a no-brainer. Now that you know why AI is important, let's talk about how you can start learning, without spending a fortune. Because, let's be real, not everyone has a ton of cash to drop on expensive courses. Don't worry, I've got you covered. There are some seriously amazing free resources out there. First up, we've got Harvard's CS50 AI course. Yeah, you heard that right, Harvard. This one's great for understanding the fundamental concepts of AI, and it's taught by some of the best in the field. Next, we've got Google's AI Learning Hub. This is perfect if you're not a coding whiz, as it focuses on teaching AI concepts without requiring you to be a programming master. And for those of you who are comfortable with a bit of code, check out fast.ai, Practical Deep Learning for Coders. This one dives a bit deeper into the technical side of things. Bonus, looking for something even more beginner-friendly? Elements of AI is a fantastic online course by the University of Helsinki. With these free resources, you can start building a strong foundation in AI without breaking the bank. Chapter 3. No-code AI even easier than you think. You might be thinking, okay Medina, these courses sound great, but what if I don't know how to code? And hey, I get it, coding can seem intimidating, but here's the good news. AI is not just for programmers anymore. There are some incredible no-code AI tools out there that let you experience the power of AI firsthand, without writing a single line of code. First up, we've got Runway ML. This tool allows you to create AI-generated videos. Yeah, you heard that right, you can literally make videos with the help of AI. Next, we have Teachable Machine by Google. This one's super cool because it lets you train AI models without any coding whatsoever. You can teach it to recognize images, sounds, or even poses. And of course, we can't forget about the AI chatbots that have taken the world by storm. ChatGPT and Claude AI. These language models can help you with all sorts of tasks, from writing different kinds of creative content, to answering your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. These tools are all about democratizing AI, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. So, if you're worried about the coding aspect, don't be. These no-code tools let you experiment with AI and understand how it works on a practical level. Chapter 4 Hands-on AI Projects, Learning by Doing. Alright, we've talked about the why and the what of AI. But now it's time to get our hands dirty. Because honestly, the best way to learn AI is by doing. So let's dive into some simple AI projects you can try today. Don't worry, I'm not going to throw you into the deep end here. We're starting with beginner-friendly projects that anyone can tackle. First up, why not create your own AI chatbot? You can use ChatGPT or Claude AI as the brains behind your bot and teach it to interact with users in a specific way. It's a fun and engaging way to learn about natural language processing. Next, you could try building a simple AI image classifier with Google Teachable machine. Train it to recognize different objects like cats and dogs or even different types of plants. And if you're feeling artistic, why not experiment with AI-generated art using tools like DALL-E or Midjourney? These tools let you create some truly mind-blowing images just by typing in text prompts. Remember, the goal here is to learn by doing. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and try different things. Learning by doing helps reinforce the concepts you've learned and makes AI feel less intimidating. Plus, it's incredibly rewarding to see your AI creations come to life. And there you have it. You don't need to be a tech expert to start learning AI. With free courses, no-code tools, and simple projects, you can gain AI skills at your own pace. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI content, and let me know in the comments which AI tool or course you're excited to try first. I'm genuinely curious to hear what you're most interested in exploring. Want more AI learning resources? Check the description below. I've included links to all the tools and courses we talked about, plus some bonus resources that I think you'll find super helpful. Happy learning!